I'm about to start doing my meal prep, but these are the biggest sweet potatoes I've ever seen in my life. Look how big these are. I was worried that I didn't have enough, but I'm just going to have to split these in half. Hello, Angela here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch another video. Today is Sunday. I'm going to get my life together. I'm going to start meal prepping. I already showed you my humongous sweet potatoes right here. If you're new here, my name is Angela. I lost 200 pounds, fell in love with running, and now I'm trying to live the healthiest life I possibly can while being a mom. She's doing that on purpose because she knows that I'm recording. Hey! I'm making the video. Anyway, so right now, I'm doing some meal prep. I was going to do a grocery haul, but you know, when you have the time to put the stuff away, then you put it away. So, I got some tomatoes. I got the usual suspects: snow peas, ground turkey, chicken breast, zucchini squash, and all that. I'm going to cook that up on the Blackstone griddle outside, so I'll take you along to show you my new gift that I got for Mother's Day. It's totally amazing. I made some hamburgers on it last week. So good. But yeah, I'm gonna do some meal prep. Hopefully I'm gonna wash my car, take some pictures for some content, edit a video, and hopefully write some blog posts. But we'll see if I can get all of those things done. I want to be set up for the week, because if you're set up, then you don't fail. You don't fail. Simple as that. Set it up, you don't fail. And that's the track that I'm trying to be on. Actually, my thing is right now I'm just trying to, I think over the past year I've developed some really bad habits that I need to break. So right now it's like I'm just trying to be a better version of myself. I'm trying to better myself, and these are just the little things that I'm doing. Not wasting time, trying to be on top of things, and just be better all around. Look better, feel better, do everything better. That's all I want right now. So my first step in trying to be better today was trying to organize the pantry again. I feel like I'm always organizing the pantry, but we couldn't find anything in here. I mean, it still looks cluttered, but it looks better. So, I mean, I wish that I could be one of those aesthetic people, aesthetic YouTubers that, you know, everything is in their place, but this is real life. Real life right here. Pantry looks like this. Can't find anything. Forget that you have extras of stuff. I'm actually going to try and find a container or something to put all this stuff in, and the cleaning lady just put that Nespresso stuff there. So right now I'm just trying to clear it out of all the junk and then organize it later. But you know, if you do try to do too many things in one day, it's just not going to get done. So trying to be realistic about it all. Just like that, I'm done editing my video. I still have to make a thumbnail, but whatever. I'll export it and I'm done. So that's another thing that I have accomplished today. I've only managed to make some sweet potatoes, but it's okay. I'm not mad about it. The video that's going up that I'm working on right now is of what I eat in the day. So it will definitely be up at the time that this video goes up. So alright, so that's mixing down, and now I'm going to eat lunch. So in full transparency, on Saturday nights I like to eat pizza. So I got myself one pizza. Todd has a pizza that I'm going to end up throwing away, but they were 50% off pizzas. But I usually just like go full tilt with the pizzas, but last night I got a thin crust pizza. I didn't get any of the dipping sauces or anything. I hate throwing food away. People that say you have to be okay with throwing food away have never not have had any money. So hey, I'm a firm believer in eating what is there. So I'm going to make a romaine salad, and yeah, that's what I'm going to eat for lunch. So that's full transparency. This is the way that I'm going to eat. I didn't eat ice cream last night. I had some froyo from the fridge so I can control how much I had and what I put on top of that. So I'm feeling positive about that. But right now I'm gonna make my salad, eat my pizza, and call that lunch. Alright, so the salad turned out to be more than what I thought it was going to be. So pickled onions, olives, carrots, tomatoes. And I'll use some Bolthouse Farms dressing because, you know, that's what I always do.
Can I have some more, please?
Some more what? You want some more pizza?
And more cheese back too.
Okay. Bring me your plate. Alright, we are here to take some pictures. I have a few campaigns that I need to shoot, and so that's what we are going to do right now. Not in the best mood right now, but we're going to make it work. These are the only days that I have to do these things, so trying to up my Instagram game a little bit better and take better pictures for my blog, so this is what I have to do. Okay, so I'm just going to run down this way. You have to keep taking a whole bunch of pictures. Right?
So when I just hold the button down and you press the button. Okay. I can do it on my phone.
Hi.
You have to tell me when I leave out my phone.
Look at me.
You might want to
Well,
put it on your
juice.
phone.
Dee, 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 dee. I'm gonna put these in the water this time. I'm gonna throw in the water for the little turtles can eat.
So we are back from taking the photos. I don't really know how they turned out. I hope that they turned out pretty good. I'm trying to do better, but hey, you never know. Still not in an A-okay mood. I don't know. I'm just feeling really down in the moment. But I wanted to show everyone my little package here. I'm doing a campaign with O'Keeffe's. This is not sponsored, but rinse, lather, guaranteed relief. So I'm doing this, and the packaging is actually really cute. I love that. And so it comes with a hand soap, hand cream, and then like this cleansing and moisturizer 2-in-1. That's really nice. So there are 2 hand soaps, so that's what it is. And I'm very, you know, we're washing our hands a lot lately, so this would have been nice to have a couple of months ago or even last year. But hey, I'm interested to try it out, to see how it is. I'll let you know if I like this O'Keeffe stuff right here. That being done, I kind of need to get started on cooking my food. So I don't want to get that behind on that. It's already 3 o'clock, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that because I also need to go dump some trash. And I lost while we were taking pictures, I lost my my chapstick, my Tonnery chapstick, and my wonderful Willie went and found it for me. So that's love right there. He went back to the park to go find my chapstick. Thank you, greatly appreciated it. I don't know if you can see me. Okay, so the plan for the week is to prep at least 3 breakfasts, and then I'm going to like make some chicken out on my griddle, and I'm also going to do like squash and zucchini on the griddle just to already have that done. This angle is like really high, but I'm trying to get the best of it. So that's what I'm going to do now. I guess I'm going to marinate the chicken right now just a little bit, and then probably get the griddle like heated up so I can start making stuff. So, zucchini and squash. Okay, so let me show you how I want to cut it.
No.
I want you to cut it like this. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. No. Hold it like this. Like this.
No, don't cut it. I know how. That's just a little.
Mm-hmm. Avocado oil down. It was like blowing in the wind. Yeah, we just got the chicken and the vegetables, and we'll see how this goes. I don't know why it's always been so windy the past couple of weeks, but just meal prepping away, meal prepping away. Last week I made some chicken and I kind of burned it, so I'm kind of afraid of burning it, or it burned the griddle. So I'm still learning. I don't want to turn it up too high, but I like the griddle because it puts like a nice sear on the stuff, and that's what I'm after. That's the taste of food that I want on everything. I want a nice sear on everything. She's playing Just Dance. I actually was playing, but my back started hurting. I don't know what that's about. But now I'm going to make some overnight oats in these little jars because they're getting all laid out. They've been here for almost a month. And before you ask if you see these in my kitchen, yes, this is red wine here. If you put red wine out, it will help catch the fruit flies that are in your house. And magically, I haven't had a problem since I put these out, but we had fruit flies for all of last week, and then finally I put this out and I haven't seen a fruit fly since then. Okay, so I am done with the meal prep. I just wanted to show you what I'll be eating as snacks. I have some more mandarin oranges, and then I have some apples that I need to finish off, so I'll also have that with the 2 good yogurt.
Tot.
Yes, here's Tiny Tot. Go finish playing your game.
Tiny Tot gonna go dance.
This is what I have meal prepped. I have made that chicken on my outdoor griddle. I did the zucchini and I did the zucchini and squash. I have these sweet potatoes. There's another container of sweet potatoes, don't worry. And then some regular potatoes. And so I'm gonna start off with this for right now. And then if I need some more food, I do have other meals. I have some more ground turkey to make. I'm getting so distracted. I have some ground turkey in there to make some to make a turkey meatloaf if I need to do that. I also have a little bit of leftovers of food that I made on Friday, so I can still eat that tomorrow and Tuesday. So I think I'm really good about that. I already said I was gonna have the 2 Good yogurt. Already made my overnight oats, so I have 3 days of breakfast. So I'm feeling really strong about this week so far, and yeah, I think that this is probably the most prepared I've been for a week in a while. I don't know, I did pretty good last week. I did really good last week because but I didn't start off the week like this. Let's be honest, I didn't do it till halfway through the week. But yeah, I'm on track and I have my food. Now it's time to eat dinner. 7, is it 7? 6:52. Woohoo! Just rolling through the day. Just put my video up, made my thumbnail. Had the bell on Just Dance. That's kind of sad. I have my Chipotle right here. Thumbnail. Oh, that has my name on it. No. This is what's in my Chipotle bowl. Is this mine? Seems a little light. Doesn't look very delicious. I got cauliflower rice, so I got all this extra stuff up in here. Chicken, corn salsa, tomatillo, cauliflower rice, and black beans. Alright, it is 8:35. I've got my iPad right here. I'm gonna watch some YouTube on the TV, and I'm gonna write a couple of blog posts using GoodNotes, and that's probably going to be, that's it for this video. Honestly and truly, this is my wind down time. This is the time that I spend by myself, and yeah, I'm just gonna make some to-do list, and most importantly, I'm gonna write some blog posts and watch extra long YouTube vlogs while I do it. So thank you so much for watching this video and following me along on my productive day of getting things done. I feel very accomplished today, especially with my meal prep. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for staying till the end and watching the entire video. Comment down below what you meal prepped this week, or even if you meal prepped, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.